So we're on the Eurotunnel, first stage of our trip. The GS is looking pretty well packed, which is always good. So yeah, we're gonna head over to Spain now and then carry on our trip. Chris is indulged in his phone. Hello, mate. Yeah, Ben's there with his very nice Ducati, and then we've got Chris's Triumph. So yeah, I'll log in with you guys in a bit. It's actually so weird riding inside of a vehicle. Cheers, mate. We're in France. Ben the navigator. Another French, but there's a little gift shop that's not closed at least. So, I don't have time for that tatter. All the trees are always immaculate though, even if the village is totally shut down. Yeah, they're all there. Yeah, I know. Coffin dodgers, mate, that's why. Hiding inside. I mean, look at that house there. Who is going to live there? It's a cool house, like, but still. That's what you think. How nice is this? So like green. Are you going to lift that log out, are you? There's quite a few trails there, that looks a bit. Oh! How cool is that? What, been able to see through it all? Oh, wow! That's so sick. Yeah! Yeah, same. That is so sick. Oh, that's mint. Oh, that was well. Thanks for taking us down there, Ben. Bridge. It's pretty mint. I'm thinking of what, the one we went on? Seen it up in front of us, Jesus. What's this? The Champigno South Aux Loops. Whatever that translates to. Of course, a date. That looks mint. Montessori. Man, How nice is that? Maybe you read about it. Man, that is so cool. Yeah, I know. How sick is that? Yeah, it's top-notch camping, that. Asparagus. I know. Would have probably cost us 20. To be fair, all we needed was just like a shop. We'd have spent like a fucking fortune here, mate. Bread. Bread and butter. Well, there is that. That's why I got a sandwich. Can't beat a ham sandwich. Are you rationing or something? There's loads of castles, man. Bear castles. Bears in castles. Fucking love it. I thought this would be a really good time to take you guys for a little quick tour around the campsite. Just while them two have gone to do their thing. This is a campsite in the south of France. Don't know if you can see that castle in the distance. Don't know if the camera will pick it up. It should do. It's absolutely stunning. Got a little lake here where you can just go dive in and such. Got the lovely mountain range up there. This is where we were camping last night. This is in Borderac, just the east of Borderac. So yeah, there's my tent. I'm just packing up now. They've packed, and you know, this is the rest of the campsite. It's absolutely mint. So yeah, in Spain today. Sweet. Oh, the Pyrenees. Look, a big rock. Oh, isn't it lovely? Oh, it's very nice. This is mental, mate. Go on, give it a rev. Ooh, naughty. It is lit. Oh, touring friend. Hello, good sir, with your Schubert helmet. It's a dire time when you think you need IVs on your helmet. Down by the mountainside. Do you know what experience? Do you know what experience I've got in fishing? I've been to Morrison's and bought some off the counter. Friday's important, man. It's off his head. No. Ba-da-ba-da.